AI product analysis. Again, it will open this window without the AI niche analysis. This particular product insights and AI product improvement, which we've already seen. It offered some Bluetooth mechanisms, something like that. You remember, I think. And well, I haven't shown this one, by the way. It's so-called SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for the product, for all the products that you have. You can open that and it will tell you, again, based on real data, not some generated, made up data that ChatGPT likes to make. Those bullets are built on the data by AMZScout, and they say particular things about sales, revenue, customer reviews, variety of this product. It has 48 variants, by the way. Bestseller rank. Oh, that's because this is another niche. This is the smoked media dress niche. So of course it has 84 variants for different style and size. Yes, it has a quite good rank in its category. It also has weaknesses, like the FBA fees are relatively high, I guess, especially for the price. It has a limited seller quantity with only 2 sellers. Okay, only 2 sellers sell the dress. So if it's popular and sellers will be out of inventory, out of stock, it could be a problem. But I don't think that's a real weakness if they have their stocks full. The opportunities, well, expanding market base, seasonal promotions. Yeah, that's a good one. Leverage seasonal trends, enhancing online presence, optimize product page content, images, and the threats. Competitive market. Well, obviously the market is competitive for dresses. I think it's always been like that. The price sensitivity. Well, yeah, changing fashion trends. Yeah, we know it can be really big, like changes. I guess the fashion industry now has like 18, 20, I don't know, a lot of seasons. Like they used to have 4 seasons, autumn, winter. Yeah. But now, especially in the women's category, it has like tens every year. Well, and again, some numbers for that product. You can get some keywords for that product. It will just show you a few, and then it's better to go to the AMZScout ASIN lookup. It has this button, so you can just copy these ones, but the rest you'll find in another tool because we can't really combine everything in one tool.